Business phrases. Private and confidential. This might be written at the beginning of a letter or on its envelope if the letter is only supposed to be read by the person it's sent to. I enclose, or enclosed are, means that documents or information of some kind is included in the email or letter. It appears from our records that is talking about something it says in their records that shows specific information they want to talk about. Non-payment of invoice means not paying the money you owe someone for goods or services. The account is cleared, to pay the money owed to a certain company or person.